Hey my loves, I am back here in my one piece and my Monet Dior Couture bonnet. And I'm here to give you guys converted cap realness. All right, my love. So I am back with Outre's converted cap Hawaiian Hottie. Okay, I'm excited about this. We've already done a converted cap unit by Outre, and I am going to leave all of that up here so you guys can take a look. And we're just going to play with Mama and see what she's working with. Now, I love this converted cap collection. One, because they're so unbelievably versatile. Okay, and I think that it's super fun. Because they're not a half wig, they give you more than that. And that to me is like dope, okay? So I want to show you guys the cap construction. And I ain't got no lace. And you know how we feel about that, okay? Because some days I ain't in the mood. I got to throw mother on and go, all right? So this unit is Hawaiian Hottie, okay? They give you several different looks. She's coming all the way through. I love this stock card. She has one comb right at the top, two on the ear tabs, like right here, which I love, and one in the back, okay? This unit does not have an adjustable strap. It does have a drawstring, okay? So we're going to lay her down, see what she's working with, and try to tighten her up. And they have the drawstring, so you could do more than one style. You could throw her up in a pony, whatever the case may be. So let's get into her and see what she's working with. All right, guys, let's get into Outre's wig converted cap Hawaiian Hottie. Now, this unit is stunning. The hair feels absolutely beautiful, and I kind of like the length. The length is about 14 inches, and for $14.99, I think that's about right, okay? I cannot believe this unit is $14.99. Yes, I said it for the people in the back. $15. Now, this unit feels so nice to the touch. Like, I really do enjoy the hair. It looks so thick and so natural. It's like a yaki texture, and I really do appreciate that. And I didn't experience any tangling or any shedding, and that's a big deal as well. Now, the unit does have a relatively big head cap, and that's a good thing. And it also allows it to be more versatile because it has that drawstring in the back. So I would absolutely positively say this is such a good alternative to lace. I'm just going to end with this. I threw mother up in a pony, okay? Why? Because I could, okay? Because I could. And she a messy pony at that, which is the sexiest kind now. I love this converted cap unit. I love the converted cap collection by Outre. It is super fire. Like, we aren't giving this the respect it deserves, okay? I literally just sat here and played with this unit like this, like the entire time, and had a ball doing it. And my hair, full disclosure, hair is wavy because I'm trying to reduce the amount of heat that I put on it. So I didn't get to get in there the way I wanted. You know what I mean? But she still came out pretty fire. Like, this is mother's hair. Mother, you got somewhere to go? You had to throw up in a ponytail? Quite like such. And the way that I got it in the back, it's like a little bit bouffant. So it's a little bit higher. And I like that it gave me more bounce, okay? So I really do love this collection. Outre came through and did it again. And we couldn't be more happy. Like, I legit have on, like, a wig. Like in real life, you know what I mean? And I feel like you guys need to check out this collection. It is unbelievably affordable, okay? And that is fire. And she's versatile. And the hair feels really nice. Like I'm not surprised by the hair, by the texture of the hair, because Outre now has the reputation of having really good soft textured 4B, 4A, 3A, 3B, 3C hair. And I am just so happy that they put out a super affordable collection, especially during a time where one, headband wigs is hot. Okay, so you know you can throw a little headband up on mother and she gonna come all the way through like such. Okay. Yeah, we did that. We did that. Now, all I'm going to say is go check out the Converted Cap collection. Check her out. Check her out. Get into Outre. And I will leave the link and everything for the one that I did previously in this collection above and below. Okay? And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Like, comment. Tell me what you guys are thinking. Have you tried this collection? Which one have you tried? And I'll see you beautiful mother jumpers later.